Welcome back to JuneBug Designs Tutorials. Today we're going to be making Caprisun labels. Today I'm going to be using this design from our Etsy store. It's from our Sweets and Treats collection. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for you down below. For this tutorial, you're going to need Caprisun pouches, vinyl sticker paper, a regular hole puncher, and a paper trimmer. Today I'm going to be using the paper trimmer. I feel for this design you do need to have like straighter lines, so I'm going to go ahead and use a paper trimmer, but you could definitely use scissors if you don't have one. If you need help downloading and printing your Etsy order, you can find the link in the description with a video tutorial on how to download and print Etsy orders. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to make these today. I'm going to be making these for my daughter's first day of school as a little surprise for lunch. So everything's printed and now we're ready to start. You want to start by removing the straw. It's important that you take your time so that you don't break open the packaging, and that way also the glue stays on there, so then you don't even have to glue it back on because it has like that little glue on there. So just take your time, do it from one side, then flip it over, try the other side till you get it off. Once you get that straw removed, we're going to put our Caprisun to the side and we're going to start cutting our label. If you've never used a paper trimmer before, I would suggest doing some practice cuts before you begin. You want to make sure you take your time and you align the paper on the top and then look at where the line is and where your project has to be cut. And then push your trimmer down, and usually you push down and cut. It depends, every trimmer is different, so get to know your trimmer before you start your project. Alright, we're going to go ahead now and do the hole punch. All of my designs come with a guide of where exactly you should be doing the hole punch. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and stick this label on. You want to make sure that you grab your Caprisun pouch and that you flatten it out and you try to get it as flat and unwrinkly as you can so we can get this label on. I find it easier to apply this label if I put the Caprisun standing up. And you want to make sure that before you peel off the sticker and place it, you do a trial. I always do that with every label to see where exactly I'm going to be placing it. You want to use a little circle as your guide as to where you want it to be centered. And then of course look at the sides, make sure that you have everything figured out before you peel it and you stick it on. We're going to start on the top. We're going to go ahead and line the circle with the straw circle. You want to go ahead and stick the top, but hold on to the label, then lay the Caprisun down, and then in the middle, slowly push it down. Now, if it doesn't stick correctly, you can always carefully pull it back up like I had to, and then fix your Caprisun so you could get rid of the thing and then slowly do the middle. Once you get that middle nice, then you want to do the sides slowly and pat them down. Just so you know, the first time I did these, it took me about 2 or 3 tries to get them right. They are a little bit tricky, so don't worry. Expect to maybe not get the first few right, but then once you start doing it, you'll see it's very simple and they just look so pretty at the end. And they are ready to put the straw back on. So just make sure you put the straw back on where it was before, on the side, so you don't block your design, and just look how pretty. You're all done. Ready to display these on a dessert table or as favors. In my case, I'm going to be putting them in our daughter's lunchbox. And that's how we make our Caprisun labels. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead, give us a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.